Hello guys, and welcome to today's tutorial. I'm Brian, and today I'll be teaching you the basics of designing complementary cards, or what we normally call the business card. So let's select a paper size. The standard paper size to use is 9 centimeters with a width of 9 and then a height of 5 centimeters. Or you can, if you like pixels too, it's 1063 pixels and then 591 pixels. You still get the paper size. Okay, so now let's design the background first. So we'll just double click on the background layer, and then to open it up, let's add a color. So color overlay, and then when the window opens, feel free to choose any color at all, any color you want. So I will choose 9cc 426, this color for my background. And then I want to add a shape, so an ellipse. So just right click on the rectangle tool and select the ellipse tool, then draw a nice ellipse. Just drag it and make sure it covers the entire part you want. So feel free to edit this. Just be creative whilst you go about this tutorial. You can feel free. By the end of this tutorial, you will have your own business card. Okay, so I think this is okay. So push this to the side small. Okay, now I think the background is okay for now. So let's just group this to prevent the background from moving. So I'll group this and label it background. Okay, and then let me lock it so that it will not be moving up and down. Yes, this is okay. Now let's add a shape to hold the name of the client. So I'll use a polygon to just click on it to select the preferred pixels you want to use, and then you can edit from there. So 400 by 400 is what we are going to, and we are using a 6-sided figure. Again, just feel free to modify this anytime. So I'll drag this to the side. Yes. Okay, now I want to change this color. I want to change this background color. So let me come back to this, unlock this, and then open the group and change the color. So let's use some sort of a shade of blue. So what we'll use is 1464 7F. Yes, so we'll use this color, and then we can go back to locking our background. Yeah, that is fine. Then let's change the color of this polygon as well. So this is not nice. We'll change this. This was 053654. So these are just color codes that I want to use for this particular work. You can feel free to use any color at all. So I'll just want to stretch this out small, and then yeah, stretch it out. Yeah. Okay, so this is okay for now. Now let's add the text, the name, but before that we want to use, so let's add the name of the client. So just select the horizontal text type tool, yeah, this, and then, or you can just press T, and then let's type. So I'll type my name, Brian. It's not appearing, so let me use a white color. White is F. Okay, So prime, feel free to use any color, any font style you want, and any size as well. So I want to change the color of my surname to this color, so I'll use this color. And for now I think this is okay. Then let me just drag this down small. So I'll just press Ctrl J to copy and then move it down. Press T and let's edit this to the title. So graphic designer. Yeah. Then we can reduce the size to say 6. Yeah, I think this is okay. So let's drag this. Let's just get a line here. So we'll use the rectangle tool and get a small rectangle to underline the name and the title of the client. I want to use a gradient for this. So come to the layer side, click on FX and then select gradient overlay. Now the blend mode, I want to use normal, style linear. The angle for this, I want to use an angle of 10. So just change the angle to 10. And then yeah, so we'll get a nice blend. And let's change the color to these colors. So for here, instead of black, I want the green color here. Okay, then instead of the white, I think I want to use this color. Yes, so this is okay. This is okay. So okay, yeah, so let me move this. Okay, now let's just bring this down a bit and then increase the font. I mean, let's increase the size like so. Okay, still we can still increase it a bit. Okay, I think this is okay. Then we'll move the position and the upwards a bit. Okay, so yeah, this is okay. Now let's now add the contact details. So when you are done with this portion, you can just group them as well and then call it any name. So you feel free to rename all these layers. So I'll just group them for clarity's sake. So put a Control G again and now label this. Sorry, I'll double click and label this name underscore title. So that's name and the title. Okay, that's okay for now. Then we'll now add the contact details of the client. So we just want to use a circle, some ellipse around the icons. So a uniform, let's just use, I think 100 is too big. So you can press shift and reduce the size small. Okay. This is no. This is okay. So I'm just going to copy this 4 times. spread it out to hold all the icons. So let me just reduce the size more. And shift them to the side a bit. Okay, so this is okay. So let's change the background of some of them. So change this color to this green. Okay, then we'll change this to this color. To just select the color. That's another way of changing colors. Instead of typing, you can just click on the color and it will automatically select it for you. So change this one also to the green. Yeah. Okay, I think for now our work is coming together. So let's quickly place the icon. We have the call icon, the email icon, location icon, and web icon. So we'll bring the location icon first. Now let me reduce the size small. Okay, and then bring this up a bit. Okay, now we need to clear this background and preferably use the color we want. So what we'll have to do is rasterize this first layer, and after rasterizing it, we use the magic wand to delete the background, and then yeah, then okay. So now I'll just click on here and then fill this color as well, and then change this one also to white. Yeah. Okay. So let me just then reduce the size and place it in the circle up. Yeah. So drag it. Place it in it. Zoom in. Let me zoom in the work to see what is going on in there. So we have the location icon here. Okay, so let me group them. This is the circle, so we'll have to bring it closer. Now let's bring in the call icon. Okay, so this is looking nice. We can still reduce the size. Of the web icon. Just let me zoom in, and then I'll just do it. Okay. Okay, so this is okay. Now we can now just add all of our text. So to add the text, let's just copy. Okay, no, let's add our text. So press T and then press where you want to insert and start typing. So location, type my location, so number 3 compound, and this is okay. So move it to the side a bit, then Ctrl J to copy. So now 3 compound, let me edit. Let press T, select and edit. Paste here in Ghana. Yes, I'm in Ghana right now. Okay, so I'll move this to the side. Then let me just copy and shift it down. Edit this for the contact. So country code for Ghana is +233. Then my contact is 5433999644. So feel free to WhatsApp or call this number for more information, link up and collaborations as well. Okay, so we'll just copy and then drag it down, and then the email is abrian130@gmail.com. So this is also a valid email, and you can feel free to send me your thoughts on the video. Your feedbacks are very important, and then don't forget to also comment in the comment section and share and like the videos. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. Yeah, very important. So say briantv.com. It's only the email that's not valid, but then you can so you can use a valid email if you have one. So pretty much our work is looking okay. I think, yeah, we'll just leave it at this. So well done, guys. So this is the basics of designing a complimentary card. And then it's a very important thing to note that before you start any design, you must get all your details, all the icons, the vectors, the background, the pictures, even the font styles you want to use. If you don't have them pre-installed, download them, get everything ready, then you start, because it will save you a lot of time. So it's been amazing having you guys around for today's tutorial, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also click on the notification button so that you will always be the first to receive notification whenever I drop new videos. Bye.